Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a bikini haul. I bought some cute little bikinis from Shein. So the first one is this two pieces bikini. I really love the color and the pattern of this one. It has like little pads inside, I guess just to hold your boobs. So as well, it has adjustable straps. I guess it's really good for each type of body, and I really love that. You can tie this in the back and it looks amazing. It really looks so sexy. So we have now the bottoms. It's like the same material, it's the same pattern. I really like because this is really thin. You can put this like on top of your hips and it will give you like a slim body. So for this one I paid $11 and I got it in size small. So the next one is this two pieces bikini as well. It has butterfly print. This is also my favorite. The straps are a little long, but I don't have any problem with that. And you can adjust it however the freak you want, and it will look amazing. And the top is like the same as the other one. It just has the pattern inside. It has the adjustable strap, and you could tie them up in the back. I don't have any problem with it. It's just a little small for my boobs. I wish that we could just change the size of the bottom or of the top. So, but I think I'm gonna have just to give it to someone because I don't want my boobs out.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So for this one, I paid $10 even. I think they have really good prices because, I mean, who's gonna pay $60 or $90 for just a bikini? No way, Jose.
No way, Jose.
The only issue that I have is just they're too small, my boobs, and that's it. So this is the polka dot tie side bikini, and I loved this one. The color, I'm like so obsessed with purple lately. I don't know what is wrong with me.
Fucking shit! What's wrong with you?
But yeah, so this is almost like the other one. It's just this is the pattern, you see. They're really small in the back, and it's like almost as the other one. I got them all the same thing but a different color, but this one was one of my favorites. They're really soft. So this is just a regular bikini, but I really love the color. I was in love, but I can't wear it right now because it doesn't fit. So this is the top, and when I saw it in the model, I was, oh my god, if I don't get this, I'm just going crazy. I need to get it. Oh my god, oh my god. I thought it was gonna fit me, but it doesn't fit. So I'm like, I bought these bikinis but they don't fit. What am I gonna do? But this one has, you just have to put this in the back. I guess it's easier for you to put on if you are doing it by yourself. And the bottoms are almost as the other ones. I love the color, their material, they're very soft. This one has like this long strap. They're just really small, but I really love the color. It's just a purple lilac. So for this one I paid $11 only. So the next one is this two pieces bikinis as well. Hello. So I really love the color. It's like blue and white. They're really soft as well, all of the same material, and their in size is small. This one doesn't have any strap, but they fit really good. It's just a regular tie-dye bottom, doesn't have any straps, but it fits really well. I got this in size small and it's just so perfect. So, and the top is this triangle top. It makes your boobs look very sexy when you put it on, and the straps are adjustable. I think most of their bikinis as the adjustable straps is really convenient, you know, because it depends on any body type, so you can adjust it however you want. This one just you just have to click this in the back and you're ready to go. It's like, I guess you don't have to ask for help if you need help. And it has the pad inside just to lift up a little bit your boobs if you want a little bit of lift in it. But if you don't want it, you just can take it out because it has a little hole over here, and you take it out like that, and
Ta-da!
and that's it. So for this one I paid only $11 even, and I'm really happy with this purchase because they're all really cute and they're not expensive, and they will get you like in a week or so. So the next one is this, again, 2 pieces. This one is a little more high than the rest of the other ones because it's just a regular bikini, because it's a regular bikini panty, but it makes just your body looks like so slim because it's a high waist. I don't know if you can see. I really love things like that. It just makes your body really nice. And these are the bottoms. It's just almost as the purple one, but this one is a little bit bigger. This one fits me well, just a shame because this one is not my least favorite, but this is the one that fits me a little better. It has the adjustable strap. Most of their like I said before, bikini has this adjustable strap, you know, just I guess it's convenience for everybody. And over here it has like the pad inside. I don't think you can take this off. Oh yeah, you can take this off as well if you don't want it. There's a hole over here. If you don't feel comfortable with it, you can just take it out, and that'll be the end of it. For this one I paid, I think it was $11 or $10 as well. I don't remember, and I'm recording with my phone, but I guess I'll put it over here so you guys can see. So besides the top size, I think that they're really good for the price. The material also as well is not uncomfortable, it's not itchy, it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off of your body. I mean, if you want to try to save some money, I guess you will have to go to Safo or Shein. Also, it's not expensive because that's what we look, and I mean that's what I look at when I'm looking for something, the price. So if you just try not to save some money, you can go to the store and get it. Just that I'm not sponsored, so I don't have any coupon code, but I mean, you can go wrong with the price. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video so I can keep doing this, because how am I gonna know if you like it if you don't give me a thumbs up, you know, so I can keep doing this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Say you love. It's not for me to say you